is the goal of C2.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sean. Nice to meet you. Today, I'm the evaluator of today, and this is Zak's second speech. And when we are going to deliver our speech, we will have manual. If you want one, join our club. And there are some guidelines which is telling you how to improve your speaking skills, especially about public speaking. And now is his second speech. So there are some criteria, which means if he doesn't get to the point or get to the what he need to do, he would need to re-deliver his speech again. So let me tell you what are the criteria. Okay. The second one is organize your speech, which is focused on how to make your speech more organized. There are 4 objectives. The first one is select an appropriate outline, which allows listeners to easily follow and understand your speech. And the second is make your message clear, which is supporting material directly contributing to that message. And the third one is use appropriate transition when moving from one idea to another. And last but not least is create a strong opening and conclusion. So you can follow these criteria and write your feedback. Don't feel free to tell him what you need to improve. And now let's welcome Zak to deliver his speech.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Zak, and today I want to introduce some items about the solar energy. And this is the traditional solar panel. It can absorb light and translate it into electricity. And energy divided into 2 parts. One is renewable, another is non-renewable. Renewable energy includes solar power, wind power, marine power, and so on. Non-renewable energy includes nuclear power and the fossil fuel, and they're generated. Now I'm going to talk about the issue why we need to develop solar energy. Do you guys remember the earthquake incident of Japan that happened in 2011? It caused a tsunami that destroyed the nuclear power plant, and unfortunately the radiation leaked. The nuclear waste is very dangerous because it is radioactive, and it will bring about gene mutations that will then you get cancer or born a deformed baby, maybe become Hulk. If you see a sign, you need to run away quickly. Yes, remember this sign. There are many advantages of solar energy. First is renewable. Second, no pollution. Third, it exists everywhere. And the most important of all, it is very safe. And you can see from a picture, solar power solution can provide electricity to mobile, leisure, industrial, and home power. And I'm going to introduce 2 latest applications of solar energy. The first is solar roadway, and the second is transparent solar battery. Solar roadway consists of this. It is a new type solar panels, and that is intelligent microprocessing and hexagonal. This hexagonal solar panel consists of circuits that are covered with LEDs and new glass. So it is very rigid that can bear high load. Why it is hexagonal? I think the inventor maybe referenced the structure of the height because it is the natural western. And if you put different shapes into the same circle, you will find the hexagon will be the most. That means we can use we can use it to create most useful spaces, but just use the least material. And because the panel is have a high hardness, so no potholes will hit. And in many North country, the panels will collect heat and keep the best temperature at the freezing point. So normal ice and the snow will on the roads. As I said, the panels are covered with LEDs, so we just need to change the circuits to reprogram the signs, and it will also be clear in the night. So we never have to have lines empty. We can use the same method to switch the different sports courts. If we want to play basketball, hopscotch, or hockey, that's okay. And we just need to select the button. And it is smart that have a pressure sensitive. It can detect obstructions and warn drivers what happened on the road. So we can avoid hitting animals in the storm. The inventors are engineering couples, Julie and Scott Russo. If you're interested in it, you can link to this website and check out their work and get informed. The next is transparent solar battery. Maybe you think it is a glass, but actually it is a battery. And according to the optical theory, scientists change the reflected path of the light so it can all get into your eyes, and then you will think it is transparent. So in the future, transparent iPhone is possible. High-tech bring more brilliant and convenient life to us, but we still need to think how to protect our environment and live in peaceful harmony with our nature.